Hey guys, don't look at how I look right now. I'm actually quite stressed. I came on camera because I was clearing my camera for space and I deleted my content from last week that I shot. So I'm gonna start over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lufuno. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Like, it's not a nice intro because child, I am shaking. But yeah, on Sunday we went to Akko. I'm gonna insert the footage of Akko here.
And the chicken wings. Wow. Devoured. Oh, but this is a vow.
Literally, that's literally the only footage that I have because I shot it on my phone. Like, I'm actually so sad. So I'm just gonna skip directly to where I tell you guys that I'm having pizza with my boyfriend. Like, we're ordering pizza, and that's like later in the week. I'm so sad. So my boyfriend and I are getting pizza right now. Yeah, my hair better not be sticking up. It is raining, and I just literally attempted to do my hair. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go home anytime soon. I think him and I are gonna eat the pizza at his place and hang out, but I'm definitely gonna go back home because I have to, and that's where I live. So yeah. Ciao. My hair is stressing me. Can you see that piece sticking out? Ciao. Listen, like, listen. I'm gonna go crazy. I need long hair because this works better with long hair. You won't have to finesse, but it is what it is. I am where I am, and I'm gonna finesse the hell out of this hairstyle. I took my appliances back home, so I'm gonna finish off styling my hair. Sorry, that was rude. I'm gonna finish off styling my hair, and then I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. There's nothing much that I'm doing. Oh, when I cook dinner, maybe later today. I don't know. If you guys will see me later today, then you guys will see me tomorrow. So peace. Oh, I ended up not going to Mr. Price because then now I'm with my boyfriend. But yeah, shop. It's the next day. I came home. Hold on, let me get a brush. Should we get a brush? Yeah, we can. That's mine. Last night to load shedding. It was around like, I think 5 minutes before 6. My boyfriend dropped me off before he went to the gym. Yeah, shower. I did my hair this morning. I just wrapped it up so that I can shower. I hope it is not messed up. Jump scare, Dava. Jump scare. I'm trying to take out these clips. Okay. Another clip. And down we go. That was the best way to wrap my hair. I don't have a hot comb, so I couldn't even blend like my hair with the extensions, but I think it looks pretty cute. It's so much better than yesterday, child. Yesterday we were giving a lot. We're giving hair not done. That's why I ended up not going to what do you call this? Just want to see. Okay, that's why I ended up not going to Santon City because I was like, I am not going out with my hair looking like this. Like, I tried to convince myself, but it was giving no ma'am. So no, I'm not going. I added a few in the front in the showing, so I'm just gonna ask my sister to remove the ones that are showing. But I feel like overall it looks so pretty. And yeah, I really like it. I don't know if I should add more blonde here in the front because I feel like I took out all the blonde in the front and it starts from here. I'm not sure. I feel like maybe the blonde at the back is the best move. I don't know, Shah, because it's giving business in the front, party in the back. I just did my hair and it's raining, so I just buy is out Tiwani. I don't know, child, but yeah, let me go to the studio. Today I'm doing my mom's hair. I don't have a lot of clients. I'm doing my mom's hair. and I think I have one client, but she's just like a maintenance, like just washing her hair and trying to look good for the weekend. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to a wedding. So I found this out like this morning. I actually knew about the wedding, I just forgot which dates. So I'm going home, I'm taking my laundry with me, washing it at my mom's house. It's so beautiful to have parents. It's such a freaking privilege because child, what would I be? Anyway, yeah, let's go to the studio. I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we made it to the studio. I did my hair properly. I look so cute. I just feel like I've diluted the blonde in my hair. I actually like Andiko hair. I want to do my eyebrows and do my eyelashes like I said. I don't know, I think I'm gonna wake up extremely early in the morning tomorrow and do those things. But yeah, I think this is the last you guys will hear from me. Today we didn't do much. All I did was ramble and talk to you guys. This is, oh, excuse me, this is why it's very kind of hard to do weekly vlogs, because child, I just stay working. I stay working, but it's fine. We're going to a wedding tomorrow, so hopefully there's a lot more to vlog there. Bye. So yeah, that leaves us to today, and I washed my hair. I didn't film that because I had already like a shower routine, and oh my god, already filmed. Flip, like I literally just stepped out of the shower. Literally, like I didn't even put on anything on my face. I wanted my videos to upload onto my camera so that I can edit it today. But it is now Monday. We didn't go to the wedding. They just, logistics weren't working out, so we just didn't go. So yeah. And then today's Monday, the 13th of February. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I'm trying to get ready for Valentine's and shooting content for Valentine's Day. Like I'm not gonna do much. I think I'm just going out to dinner with my boyfriend, but I just wanted to create content because I love creating content. So yeah. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to film everything today because what is this vlog? I'm so sad. Like this vlog was already empty. That's why I decided to add this week's content like until Tuesday, because I'm just gonna end it at Valentine's and start a new one from Wednesday. Oh my soul, like oh, I'm so bored. I'm so bored, but you know what, it is what it is. We're just gonna continue. So yeah, we'll just like whatever you see now, you see it. Sorry if this vlog sucked. My content is gone. There's literally nothing that I can do at this point. Wow. Anyway, yeah, I will talk to you guys when I've gotten over it, because like I'm so hacked. I feel like deleting this vlog. I actually feel like not posting because these are the things oh my god, like I'm so annoyed. I literally like and I'll talk to you guys. Oh, I'm not taking a dump. I want to clean the bathroom because I'm cleaning now. I need footage, I need content. Let me actually put on a bonnet child because this is a bit much with my hair. I changed it from this dress. I have no content, so I'm gonna be vlogging everything I'm doing today. Okay, relax. Everything that I'm doing today, so I don't have to put on a bonnet and then we're gonna clean this toilet. I'm gonna put like boiling hot water in this toilet scrubbing thing. I wanna put Domestos and boiling hot water. So let me get the Domestos here. Cool. So I think tomorrow I wanna go dress or something that I want to wear for Valentine's. So I'm going to put that in there, and then so sterilize this thing. Everywhere. That's a cleaning trick, cleaning hack. Okay. I'm going to then clean the bathroom as regular. Clean the toilet. I'm just going to put like domestos inside the toilet and let it soak essentially. And then wash the toilet. I think we have gloves, so I'll probably grab gloves and clean the toilet. Also, I'll put it in the sink because the thing about me, I love bathrooms to smell like domestos. So this bathroom is tiny, so I'm gonna clean it off camera. Because the angles will not be angled, so yeah. I also want to pour this in the like shower drain and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean everything. If I do get shots, then I can get shots, but I don't think I'll be able to. So, but I'll try.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I'm a sleep for decoration. Mistaken for love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and then nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Da 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 da. When you walk out, da 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. I don't have a chance to. I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel you set me up, you see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that when you are out,
yeah, okay, you need to get done and work come over. We just need a slow motion. Don't get out of the way, you know, one long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. You come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got these trying to hit me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need.
I'm listening to AKA Buffet. Obviously, it's the Tuesday, it's the Monday, so AKA passed away or was murdered on the 10th. I'm not even trying to get sued for defamation of character, but he was set up. Oh my god. Like, I've already done investigating, I've already seen the videos, I saw the shooting, everything adds up. Like, there's no freaking way. And I'm actually, like, when I found out, my mom told me at 4 a.m. in the morning, my heart was sore. Like, guys, I wasn't a big AKA fan, but he didn't deserve to die like a dog at the side of the pavement. He put in jail. I don't even see the reason or the need for him to actually die. For someone to take his life, not even die, because obviously God's timing, but take his life. Wow, I'm not gonna say anything. Anyway, guys, I wanted to show you guys this pair of shoes that my friend Tembi gave me. Excuse me, is this not a Valentine's shoe? Are you dumb? This is so freaking cute. It's giving glamour. Excuse me, it's giving everything I need and one more for my Valentine. So this is cute. I'm gonna wear this. I don't know with what. I still have to look for an outfit. Ciao. Is a lot going on. I wanted to wash my sheets, but it's raining, so guess that's not happening. So yeah, these are so freaking cute. Excuse me, I actually want to try them on. And I just got my toes did and my nails. Oh gosh, I can add that footage of my nails also being done. Yeah, so you guys, excuse me, these are stunning. Excuse me, it's giving Valentine's baddie. What? You are your damn mind. That is stunning. My nails, I'm so obsessed. Obviously I did white toes, so yeah, I'll add the footage. Well, I think maybe by now I already added it, but those are my nails and they're so cute. Usisi Lindy never skips a beat. Like, it's not a daba. Okay, it's not focusing, but do you see that? Look at that apex. Period. So I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna show you guys how they look on my feet. I'm putting them on chair because I got distracted by these shoes. How they don't smell. Do I have to break them in? Like, these are smooth. Oh my goodness! Typically, I don't like kitten heels. Typically, because I'm like a 6-inch stilettos, but these are cute. They're giving everything. That, sorry, the end of the shoe, the up, stunning. Stunning. Okay, my foot is not hanging also. That's perfect. I think Teddy had to stand up in these shoes because my legs are so hairy. Ew. I need to shave. I'll probably shave tomorrow so that I'm nice and smooth. It's 28. Oh my god, tomorrow is going to be fantastic and I'm shooting content around it. I'm so proud of myself for that. Oh my goodness. Excuse me? Don't mind my hairy legs, but yeah. What? These are so fire. Excuse the crystals. I love them. I love these shoes. They look so pretty on my feet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Love these shoes. Anyway, girl, my battery's dying. Anyway, ciao. My camera's crooked, my battery's dying. I'll talk to you guys when I start making food and going about my day. Oh, I'm so excited. Did you see how cute that was? I'm so excited for Valentine's this year. It's because I'm shooting content. That's so exciting. Having Valentine's Day and shooting content around it, 10 out of 10, period. I'm vlogging on my phone now because my camera's charging. I put tortilla wraps in. This is kind of crooked, but guys, you'll just have to bear with me, honestly. Okay, that's a bit better. I put tortilla wraps in. It's still crooked. What? Okay, whatever. I put tortilla wraps in the oven to toast them, making like hard shell tacos, quote unquote. I'm gonna take some mint, I don't know if there are tomatoes and stuff to garnish, but if there isn't, I'm just gonna put mint because the mint is cooked very well. You may do what you need to do, and I'm just gonna make it as like mini tacos. That's it. The one thing I really wish we bought, or I wish I had right now, is guac. The guacamole or avocado, but it's not in season, and I'm afraid to buy avocados that are not in season because what are you selling us? Where did you get that avocado? So no. So yeah, I really wish now that I got that. Okay, I'm just gonna take down the heat on the stove. Yeah. So I can't find any ingredients here. I need to go grocery shopping, but I'm just gonna put some cheese. I could fry my bell peppers, but I actually don't feel like doing all that, so I'm just gonna put on cheese and some Tabasco Probably mayonnaise or tomato sauce. Really, actually, like, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to find creative ways to eat healthier, quote unquote. So, yes, let me make that food chow and eat because I'm starving. I still need to clean the dining and the kitchen. The kitchen we keep pretty clean, so it's not really much really. Just gonna wipe the tops, wipe the outside of the cupboards, pack the dishes in the cupboards, wipe the fridge, and yeah, wipe the floor. There's nothing much in the dining room because you guys know we don't have a couch yet, and no coffee table, nothing. So it's just wiping the floor, literally. So yeah. And then after that, I think I might dry my hair. The extensions are still wet, obviously, but my natural hair is dry. Obvious. Extensions take forever to dry, and I think I'm gonna finish off my TikTok video. The electricity is gonna go at 4, so I don't know what my plan is, to be quite honest. It's like 2 o'clock now. I'm gonna eat, finish off cleaning. It's probably gonna be 3. I don't know, and I need like the natural lighting for my video. I don't know. I can't do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually Valentines, and I have a client at 10 o'clock. Should I shoot it at the studio? The electricity goes at like 10. I have like at like 12. I still want to go shop on Akko. Oh my god! Time is flying. And I have like softbox lights. I just don't have globes. Like my globes broke. I had like these large ass globes. They broke. I think maybe one is still there. I'm not sure. I'll try. I'll see what I can do. Oh my crap. They also need to be plugged for electricity. Oh my god. Maybe after 6:30 I can use the lights. I'm not sure, child. I'll tell you guys the updates if I tell you guys the updates. I actually should be truthful and actually tell you guys the updates when I need to tell you guys the update, because child, every time it's, oh sorry, yesterday I slept, the lighting, the WhatsApp. Actually, it's none of you guys' fault. I need to get my shit, my stuff together. Sorry mama, didn't mean to swear. My stuff together, so yeah. I'm obsessed with my nails. It's giving baddie.
Baby, I run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need to wear my space. I need it, baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend. I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna be in my heart, my mind, my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. What you do is so amazing. How can you go, baby? And last on my body so the baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you out of my space. I need it, baby, I'm safe, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna be in my heart, my mind, my body.
Terrible on camera, but I can guarantee you it's gonna pass. Let me just put this away. This is gonna pass. Oh my god, this looks so good. too cute. Obviously I can't tell the paper it's gonna fall. Too cute. So I'm gonna eat that and then I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm hungry. I don't know why I made even one tortilla, but I'm hungry. It's giving loser. It's giving, are you really hungry? But we'll see. I've cleaned, I've done everything. We're making sweet potato chips. Can I please have the peeler told me? Sweet potato chips, it's in the drawer. Oh no, I think it's there. Sweet potato chips and mince, because we have an abundance of mince that Mpume so kindly made for us. So at least we don't have a lot of work to do. We can just make the mince. I still haven't dried my hair. I actually am waking up at 5 a.m. tomorrow because it's giving that. So yeah. So let's make the food and put on some music or put on a movie and get our lives together so we can eat dinner. So yeah, I think after dinner, guys, I will head to bed. If I wake up tomorrow with my hair styled and I decide to style it, oh, but I can't because I need to do it for camera, for footage. Flipping hell, I hate this in my life. Being a content creator is so hard. Again. So yeah, let's do the cooking and then some kulum.
I pull up, roll the window down. Yeah. I pull up, roll the window down. Yeah. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. With a nigga blocking west, them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter cat shit. Murder cat shit. Slaughter cat shit. Murder cat shit. I'm on the slaughter cat shit. Murder cat shit. Slaughter cat shit. Murder cat shit. I'm on the slaughter cat shit. Take a nigga bitch. I can use the bitch cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a red right there. Any nigga tryna see you. Pull up on the air, push it before you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't gon' no block. Keep your lips closed cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some pounds. Nigga blocking west, nigga drown. Nigga round drum, yeah, nigga down with. I'm gang shit, murder gang shit.
Guys, listen, ate the food, it was too good. It wasn't that good, but anyway. It wasn't that good. Like, it was okay, it was alright, but it wasn't too good. I lied. Anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. There's nothing much that I'm doing. I actually wanted to work out more, but I'm like, I'm actually lying to myself. So I'm gonna be up at 5. I actually need to sleep now at 9 so that I can have enough time. I'll probably sleep at 9:30 because I'll probably be watching TikToks in the bed, if I'm being honest. Because, I know, it's 9:45 now. And that leaves me with 15 minutes. Not about to happen. Anyway, so I'm gonna go sleep. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. do my eyebrows. Oh my god, I need to wax my body. Forgot. Yeah, I need to wake up at 5 a.m. If I'm gonna make it through, literally my dinner is at 8:30 with my boyfriend. I don't know where I'm rushing to, but I need to film. That's the thing, I need to film content, that's why. But it's fine, we'll get it together. I'll be up at 5. And then tomorrow's gonna be the last day of the vlog. Let me show you guys my dinner with my man. Ooh, sorry. So yeah, what's up guys? Hey, it's the next day. I did give you guys an update yesterday. Love this for love it for us. I just had coffee. I did not wake up at 5. Okay, I was tired. I actually woke up and then I prayed. While I was praying, I fell asleep. That's not my fault. My body just fell asleep. What was I supposed to do? Then I woke up at 6. Same thing happened, but 6:30 I was up. Then I just got out of bed at 7 because then I read the Bible, did my affirmations and devotions and blah blah blah. So yeah, I actually need to spend way more time doing my affirmations and devotions because it's I'm giving God 30 seconds and I don't like it for myself. Anyway, I had a cup of coffee. I want to do a home workout and then I want to go walk on the treadmill for the 12-3-30 challenge because I feel like that's what's snatching my stomach, to be quite honest. And then I'm also going to have greens. So that coffee and greens combo, oh my god, my stomach is going to be flat by 8 o'clock because one thing about this, my age, they'll make you freaking take a dump for your life. So yeah, so I'm gonna take that so my stomach is much flatter and increase obviously my gut health. Like, it has great benefits. It says it supports digestion, immunity and energy levels. So I'm gonna need that because I think there's more benefits here. There's more benefits. So actually I feel like this would be so much better if I added to a smoothie. One thing about me, I need to buy groceries. Yeah, but anyway guys, get greens. I bought this at Food Lovers Market. It says 40 servings, but let me tell you one thing about it is this is gonna last me a good amount of time. Okay, this is gonna last me a good amount of time. Then I'm probably gonna have a protein, but I'll have protein after I gym. Yeah, and then I'm gonna eat oats and chia seeds for breakfast. I actually should do overnight oats so that it's easier for me because it's giving I should do it. So yeah guys, that's literally my morning, introduction to my morning. I've moved my client from 10 to 12 because there's no power at the studio. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and do my eyelashes, do my eyebrows, wax. I'll have enough time because it's only like 8 o'clock now in the morning. I'm gonna have food. I'm probably gonna gym at 8:30, if not 9 o'clock. So excuse me, in the meantime I'm gonna heat up my wax warmer and I will wax.
I don't give a fuck. I'm a big gobbler, nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, straight the sides. Keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass. So young savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I let you borrow a pistol, I got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds. Got a nigga blocking, watch some nigga drown. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with. I'm on slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
On my armpit. I have to hide myself. Flip, like, dude, this is a mental game. I hate waxing. I should go to a professional. Okay, it's not that I'm saying anymore. I should go to a professional so that I don't have to psych myself. But I'll probably tell her to stop so like an hour's waxing will probably take us an hour and a half because I'll probably be like, oh my god, please stop, wait. So yeah, hold on. This thing is quite messy. I always make a mess when I wax. Okay, Bazalwane. Okay, perfect. I need sherbet. I need a man. Okay, it's not that hot. Ugh, this is my non-dominant hand. I'm trying to create a tab for me to rip it off. It's not that hot, so it's... Ooh! I definitely need a mirror. I'll wait for this to cool. Let me use my phone as a mirror. I also need the brightness up so I can actually see myself. Hold on, hold on. Okay, that's dry. Oh, muscle. Oh, okay. The joy of the Lord is my strength. Oh, Mama yo, Mama yo. Guys, I'm not gonna pretend that is painful as crap. Am I bleeding? I can't tell if I'm bleeding or not. No. Guys, I was able to wax my body, but I haven't done my eyelashes obviously, and I haven't done my hair, so time has run out. Like, it took me longer than I expected. I'll probably do my hair at the studio like I said I would, because at this point it's not giving. Or I can come back and do my hair, to be honest, but I wanted to go to Sandton City after, so I'm not sure. Like, I have a sporty, so I'll just tie my hair and wear my sporty like a bucket hat in the studio, and then come back and do my hair. Cha. I'm gonna need my life to be all the way together. I also need to be mindful of the fact that electricity goes at 4 p.m. here. Yikes. Anywho, I think I might do my hair at the studio. I think that's the safest bet, because I do not want to be doing my hair in the evening. I need to shoot content. Like, time has flown past, but at least I worked out. I feel a lot better. I'm gonna have greens now. I'm gonna eat now as well, so that when I come back I just go straight into prepping and getting ready. My prep is already done, my nails are done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows at the studio. Like, yonke into is going according to plan B. Not plan A, plan B. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get to the studio, because I am running a little bit late now. Hey guys, I'm back. I don't know why my camera's sitting like that. We went into well, I went into Mr. Price. I got this cute little top from Mr. Price because I have brown tights, and then I bought a black one as well, just so that I can have more tops for my leggings. And then I bought a brush, and then I bought my boyfriend, like I said, a set of glasses. Let me show you guys. A set of glasses. It's like wine glasses. These glasses are so cute. I don't know if you guys can. Ooh, I'm almost dropping it. So stinking cute. Love them. So I'm gonna give that to him. I was gonna buy a gift bag. The lady there was like, listen, leave that gift bag and take this. I said, I love an economical sis. Like, you're looking after my bank balance, and I love that. So my hair came out, guys. Is it not cute? It's so freaking cute. I absolutely love it. Like, I love it. I don't know what to tell you. I absolutely love the way my hair came out. I need to do my makeup. Our dinner's at 8 in 2 hours. Oh, I didn't find any cute outfits for Valentine's at Mr. Price, to be honest. Really didn't. So I bought that. So yeah, my boyfriend's very lucky to have a girlfriend like me. That's one thing that I have to mention. That's something that's worth mentioning. He's very lucky to have a girlfriend like me. So yeah, guys, let me get ready. I will see you guys when my makeup is done. I haven't done my eyelashes. Oh, look. I don't know if I'm gonna wear eyelashes. I'm so lazy to do them. I should do them. I'll probably do them. Ugh, it's not that serious. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm ready. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'll vlog with my phone at the restaurant, and I think that'll be the end of the vlog. So if you don't hear from me or see me after the restaurant, you guys will probably see that it's the end of the vlog. So I really enjoy shooting this. Like, I tried to make up for the content that I actually lost, and I feel like it kind of put me in the position to actually vlog more. My hair feels so nice to actually vlog more and stuff. So my blonde doesn't show as much this side. Anyway, to vlog more and you know, include you guys more in my life and in my day, because I always felt like it was pointless. Also, the rambling and the talking I actually edited out of my videos, but that's me, my angels. So yeah, I'll see you guys after, and happy Valentine's Day. Love you so much. I hope you guys can see me. But I am done. Obviously, I went for the red lip, and I don't have lashes. I'm so sad. I couldn't put on my lashes as well. Like my